Hello friends, in this video we will see the derivation of the angle between two hands of the clock theta is equal to 11 by 2m minus 30h. Okay, so in the previous videos related to the clocks problems, I told you to use the shortcut formula, that is theta is equal to 11 by 2m minus 30h. Okay, so the most of the people in the comment section asked me to how actually we can derive this formula. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can derive this formula. Okay. So if you take the hours hand, so there are 12 hours are there in the clock. Okay. So these 12 hours are going to be equal to the 360 degrees. Why? Because the clock is in circle shape. Okay. So that's why we can say that hours hand will cover 360 degrees in 12 hours, because in the clock there are 12 hours are there. Okay, so hours hand will cover this 360 degrees in 12 hours, so that I can write that 12 hours is equal to 360 degrees, right? So then 1 hour is going to be equal to 30 degrees, right? So this 1 hour I can write as a 60 minutes, right? So now I'm writing this 60 minutes is equal to 30 degrees. So 60 minutes is equal to 30 degrees. Now if 60 minutes is equal to 30 degrees, then 1 minute is equal to 1 by 2 degree. 1 minute is equal to 1 by 2 degree. That means the hours hand will cover 1 by 2 degree in 1 minute. Okay, so the in m minutes the hours hand will cover m by 2 degrees, right? M by 2 degrees. Okay, I hope this one is clear to everybody. So now let us take, so in the clock actually, so the minutes hand will make one round in 60 degrees, right? Minutes hand will make 60 minutes in one circle. So one circle is going to be 360 degrees. So that means minutes hand will cover this 360 degrees in 60 minutes, right? So in the point of view the minutes hand, I can write that 60 minutes is equal to 360 degrees, right? So that means 1 minute is going to be 1 minute is going to be equal to 6 degrees. So that means the minutes hand will cover 6 degrees in 1 minute. The minutes hand will cover 6 degrees in 1 minute. So the minutes hand will cover in m minutes, it will make 6m degrees, right? In m minutes the minutes hand will make 6m degrees. Okay, so I hope this much is clear. So now let us assume the given time is, let us assume the given time is h hours and m minutes. So here we have to find the angle between, the given time is h hours and m minutes, and we have to find the angle between these two hands when the time is h hours m minutes. Okay, so if you take the position of when the hours given time is h hours and m minutes. Okay, so now I will convert this h hours into minutes. I will convert this h hours into minutes. So if I convert this h hours into minutes, the position of the hours hand is going to be at 6h plus m, 6h plus m. So why I am writing m plus m? Why I am writing this plus m? Because hours, if there are 6 hours are there, so the number of minutes is completed is going to be 6 into 60. Okay, but why I am extra writing this h? Because h hours are converted into minutes, then it is going to be 60h plus m. Why? Because when the time is h hours and m minutes, the hours hand is not always going to be on 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. It is going to be sometimes in between the 1 and 2 and in between the 2 and 3 and 3 and 4 also. So that's why I'm adding this extra m. So that means when this h hours are converted into minutes, so it is going to be 6h and m minutes. Okay, so minutes hand is going to be at m. Okay, so hours hand will finish these many minutes in h hours m minutes, and minutes hand will finish this m minutes. Okay, minutes hand will finish this m minutes. Okay, so now we know the number of minutes finished by the hour hand and the number of minutes finished by the minutes hand, right? So if the number of minutes finished by hours hand is 60h plus m, so we know that the hours hand will make m by 2 degrees in m minutes. So in 60h plus m minutes, so the hours hand is going to be make, the hours hand is going to be make, so 60h plus m by 2 degrees, right? 60h by m by 2 degrees, the hours hand will make these many degrees, right? So minutes hand is at already covered m minutes. So in m minutes, okay, the minutes hand is going to be covered 6m degrees. In m minutes, the minutes hand is going to be 6m degrees, right? So now at the time h hours m minutes, okay, if you take the positions of a hours and minutes hand, let us assume the hours hand is here or the minutes hand is somewhere here, right? So here the hours hand and here's the minutes hand, or the other case is also possible, here may be the minutes hand or here may be the hours hand, right? So the total angle difference going to be calculated from here, right? So the angle, this one is theta 1 and this one is the theta 2. Okay, so the angle difference is going to be what? Actually the subtraction of this first angle minus second angle, right? Okay, so that will give the actually the angle difference, that will give the angle difference. But if hours hand is here, okay, and minutes hand is here, so minutes hand here is making more degree, more angle, so that's why the angle difference theta is going to be equal to, okay, here the in the first case if minutes hand is here, then minutes hand is making more degree, so the angle difference is going to be equal to 6m minus 60h plus m by 2, or if minutes hand is here and hours hand is here, in that case the hour hand is making more angle than the minutes hand, so in that case the angle difference is going to be equal to 60h plus m by 2 minus 6m degrees. Okay, 6m degrees, right? So this or this one is possible or this one is possible, so that's why what happened, actually these both cases are possible, so that's why it is we put this one into the modulus. So when modulus is there, actually a minus b is going to be equal to a minus b or b minus a. So in the same manner we put this one, we take only one of them by putting in the modulus, so that is going to be equal to we take this one, second one, 60h plus m by 2, okay, minus 6m. So theta is equal to, this is going to be equal to 30h. If you solve this one, you will get minus 11 by 2m. As it is in the modulus, so I can write this one before this one also, that is also I can write. So I can write 11 by 2m minus 30h. 11 by 2m minus 30h. Okay, so this is the formula which gives the angle difference between the two ants when the given time is, okay, h hours and m minutes. Okay, so I hope everyone got this one. So if you have any doubt, please leave a comment and please subscribe my channel. So thank you once again.